Good morning. I'm still holding my Z shares. They kind of came back up. I'm probably gonna end up selling near this top here, 57.40 a little bit. I literally just got back out of the call, so looking for that 57.50 up there, or a little bit closer to the what is that 57.25 to sell some. But just waiting to see if it can pop up. If it can't, I'll start easing out here. Can we get that 57 up there strong? 57.14 getting hit. Cool. 57.25 would be the first take. Okay, taking a little. Whoa. Oh, my bad. Forgot to cancel my stop order. Okay, getting up there to the top. Selling a little bit up here. Selling a little bit more. Selling into this uptrend here. Looking for the touch though. Can we get that touch? Just a little bit more. See, can we see the 40s? Can we see those 40s break? A little bit of weakness, selling a little bit. 18 shares left, looking for the 40s to get pushed. Okay, a little bit more weakness there. Selling a little bit more up here. Getting some popping. Got 15 shares left up here. Looking to ease on out of this position on Monday morning. I didn't see anything else to trade. Right now, I'm just taking profits. Can we see the 25 one more time? I'll take it 25. '20s. 22. Can we see that 25 right there? It's selling a little bit. Looking for that push through the 30s. 14 shares left. Can we see it? Don't see the 30s on the bid. Take a little bit more off here. Getting that push. Can we see the 40 break? I'll take it into the 40s. Okay, a lot of selling up here. Take a little bit more off. Good morning, Lightning Rick. Just taking profits from my last trade, my other trade from Z. Still not seeing that 40 get that nice push, so taking off up here some more. 11 shares left. I'll take again at the 25 if we can see it. 25, getting a little heavy up here. There we are. Take a little bit more there. 9 shares left. So overall winning trade. I held it over the weekend, got this little pop, and I was like, yeah, I don't want to get back too much. Can we see that 25 up there again? 25, 30s coming back in. 25. Can we get that push? Okay, high open. I'm going to sell a little bit there for that drop. See if we can get it to pop back up for us. I got 7 shares left, so at this point, I'm in no danger. Still got $14 floating out there. And my entry price was down here at the 55.16. It was kind of scary holding it over the weekend, but oh well. It gave a little pop back up here to this trend, and I know it's going to get stupid heavy up here and fall. Taking a little bit more off there on that little dip down. Looking for the buyers to come back in and hold it over the 20s. If they can't, I'm going to be exiting some more. Okay. See the 13s coming up. Don't want to see it break down those 57.10s. Okay, there's a break of the 57.10. All right, 4 shares left. At this point, there's no danger. I am going to hold these 4 shares and, you know, just chill. I'm going to use this 56.50 as an out. 56.50. Took most of the profit, but still holding a little bit to participate. Now we're getting that touch on this upward trend here on the hour chart, coming up to this flat top of the 58. Can we get that push into the 5770s? Okay, nice. Nice, nice, nice. So I'm going to take on that little push out there. Can we get any more to the 58s if possible? 57, 90, 94. I'll take it 58. Okay, slowing down there a little bit. So I got 2 shares left. Literally no issues this morning. Kind of glad I held it over the weekend. Let's see. What does it want to do here? So at this point, I'll just follow it up. The bottom of this is the 57. So as long as it holds the 57s, 56.99, I'll be all out on these last 2 shares. Exactly, Lightning Rick. Usually I get so scared holding these over the weekend, but Zillow has such good news. I was like, man, this thing can definitely get back to up to 60. But I'm gonna wait for it to pull back and see if I can get another play into a pullback on it today. Let's see, what does it want to do? Can we get that 58 up there? Can we see those 90s real quick? 84, 90. Can we get the 58? I will definitely take 1 share at the 58. Matter of fact, let me just put in as a limit order. 58. 58, 25. Well, right through the 58. Okay. What else we want to do? 58.10, 58.12. Yeah, I'm gonna end up having to take up here. Yeah, I'm gonna take off 1 and holding 1 share now. So hey, good trade, good trade. Got in down here on Friday, ran up. I didn't take any profit up here, and then you know, it also, I took 1 losing trade, which was a $27 loss. So it kind of moved my original position was the 53 down here, but due to that $27 loss, it moved my average price up a little bit. But it still was a nice winning trade overall, and I'll be looking for more throughout the rest of the week. But I want to see a dip on this one for another entry. See if it can go any higher. Maybe get that 58.50. I'm gonna try to get as much off of this 1 share as I can. But already locked up $45 of profit. Let's go. Okay, it's definitely slowing down around that 58 area. So I'm going to say 57.75. 57.75 needs to be my next stop. If it can't hold up here, 57.75, I'll jump out. Yep. Got my stop right there if it wants to get real weak. If it doesn't want to continue here. If it wants to retest this top, then I'll move my stop up to the 57.99 if it wants to retest that top. 57.99 looks like it wants to. Can we see any buyers coming there above the 75? Okay. Still looking good. Okay, so at this point, 57.99 is about to become my stop here. Yep. If it wants to pull back, then I'll be out. If it drops back below that 58, can we get that retest? Yeah, okay. So let's move it on up on that one share. Let's do a 58.20. 58.25 is a little bit close. Do 58 15. 58.15 as an out. So that's back below. That's a breakdown of this high breakout. See if we can get any more push on this last share. Because it's right at the tippity top of this this previous area. That's why I'm putting my stop in where I'm putting it. All right, so 5 cents and I'll be stopped. Can it continue to push? Ooh, still getting a push. All right, 58.25 is becoming the new stop. Come on, get that 40. There we go. 58.25, new stop. Just moving it up right behind it. Can we get a break of the 50? This was a straight up movement out of the open, so definitely didn't give much time to buy on this one. Okay. 58.35, or yeah, 58.35 would be a good one. So that's, let's see, what's this top? This top is the 22. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop out here and look for a dip to get back in. Got plenty of run up. Took $44 off of that trade, so that was a nice little winner. So yeah, that's a whole week of green trades. Of course, I held this one over the weekend, but oh well. The SPY took a nice little dip down there and then getting some pops here to the 441. And I'm pretty sure this one's going to be dipping soon for a re-entry on Zillow. Here come the shorts, getting a little heavy up here. Let's see if they'll be able to move it down. So it went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars from the bottom. And if we look on Friday, it did the same thing pretty much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish bars before it started pulling back. So I went ahead and exited on that 5th bar. Well, Lori, I just sold Zillow. Just took my profits on Zillow on this launch up. Looking for a pullback for another entry. Boy, I did not see all these comments come in. Thursday, okay. So it's continuing to push up. Yeah, happy Valentine's to everybody today. Starting off the day with a bunch of love from Zillow. I really didn't get a chance to do any other kind of looking into the market. I expected Zillow to come up here this morning, but I didn't expect it to move that much. So it's probably gonna start getting tight. It's only up 5% now, but it's definitely making dollar moves. So I'll wait for it to congest, come back down, and look for another entry, and try not to give back profits on it. Let's jump over here to the scanners. So there is one that I traded once before, LCID. Let's look at some of this news though. KSCP was one that dove off. At one point, I think I traded this one, but it dove off. BDSI got bought out. Appreciate that follow. Doing good, Evac Karma. CNR was one that I was watching as well. So yeah, other than that, taking those profits today, I'm just chilling, man. Valentine's Day is great, man. Can't believe the market showing me love on Valentine's Day. Getting these nice pumps. All right, let's jump back over here. The SPY coming on back down, so be careful if you're trading anything that is SPY pertinent. But definitely waiting for that next dip on this one. I was thinking over the weekend, man, this thing can get to 60. And then I saw some articles over the weekend on Zillow that were talking about the price moving down. So at first the price target was $100. And then they moved it down to 70. And then they moved it down to 65. And then they moved it down to 60. So I was like, okay, if this thing gets going back to 60, I'm going to go ahead and take my profits and just look for a dip here because it's still following a nice little uptrend here. So I just wanted to be patient and look for that dip. And here comes the dip now. So let's just be patient on it. Getting plenty of volume. It is a bigger float stock. It's a $60 stock, so but it definitely moves. KSCP is trying to pull a red to green move, but not looking too good on the daily chart. Evac Karma, you says, Evac Karma says, I was lurking and came across your stream. Maybe I can help you out with your Twitch design. Hey, possibly. You know, my Twitch, I stream over there, but I haven't really done a lot in the design department. And Lori says INDO showing love. I also looked at that one over the weekend. Definitely looked at that one. Got $4 to up to the $5. I'll have to see some of your work, man. Show me some of that work. I could just I can well, my email is on my YouTube channel. Let me think. Is my email over there on my Twitch? I don't know. But if you leave, I have a Discord. So we actually have a website. I have a website with Framework Fortune, which we have a Discord on the website. So you get signed up, and let me drop that link as well. frameworkfortune.com. Or let me see. Yeah, let me drop that. frameworkfortune.com. Get signed up and go into that Discord and group chat. And there's no paywalls. Everything is free, so don't worry about that. Go on there, get into the Discord, and just show me what you got. You can put it in the general discussion, or in the general discussion, and see what you got. KSCP. A little bit smaller range on KSCP. Really didn't have any news other than a partnership with Allied. What is this? Partnership with Allied Universal to provide autonomous security. Autonomous security robots. Okay, so it's back down to 58 now. We'll see how much this thing dips. It ran up 5 bars, so let's see if it gets a little pause or something as it goes down. has this original downtrend at the 57.40, which is kind of where the VWAP is right now. We'll see. Where I get your Discord. Yes, I see your Discord. Yeah. So at frameworkfortune.com, which is my website, you go into the Discord and the chat. You click on the connect button and it will give you the link to the Discord. You'll be able to post your articles or your work or anything you want. And let me take a look. Look see. I mean, you can direct message me in there. But anyway, KSCP throwing those wicks up there. I need you join. Oh, I need to join. Got you. Oh, KSCP taking a little rip up there. Wow. Nice little ripper. Still interested in my friend Zillow over here on this dip. It's going to take a lot more time though. Looks like definitely not moving as big as it was. KSCP pre-market high was the 822 up there. So resistance 822. Can it get that pre-market high? Or will it struggle? And also INDO, I need to put that up here as well. INDO was one that we needed to watch. Lori had called out. Ooh, INDO taking a little bit of a dip. Can't find your Discord. Okay, so over here, let me pull it up. Let's see. So at Framework Fortune, there's a Discord and group chat. You log in or whatever. I can log in. Let's see. Okay. And there's the Discord. So logged in. Discord pops in right here. There's a widget. Oh, let me make it bigger. Where is my... I see what you mean now. It pops in right here. Give me 1 second. I can go into the... I'm waiting on the market anyway. I can go into the let me go into the back end on it. See why I can't or you know what? I might have just been blocking that. My bad. I might be blocking my own site. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, that is a little bit of a problem. I'm gonna go back to the market in just a minute. Let me fix that. Come on. KSCP pushing on up there. Very, very nice push. Everything's getting nice pushes. Just gotta wait for the dips now. Okay, there we go. All right. Now why? Huh. Okay. Yeah, I see what you mean now. Let me go over here and grab my Discord real quick. Discord. Mobile search, edit server, create channel. None of that is what I'm looking for. Good morning, SB. Hide channels. Okay. So this is a man. This is something that I'm gonna have to work out off stream. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done off stream. I don't know why that code is tripping on me. That Discord code. But I will get that fixed probably during the end of the stream. Let's focus on the market right now. All right, Z getting a lunch up there. See, I'm missing stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that a little bit later. I'm here every morning, so it's not like I'm, not like I'm gonna disappear off the face of the earth. KSCP pulling back, Z going on up. Dang man, missed that little dip there. It's all good. So it's getting up there to break the $60, testing the $60. I'd love to see a pullback right under this 60 for a re-entry. It already gave a little bit of a pullback here. So this little rip out here was from the 58 and this dip 57 up to the 59. So a $2 rip right there on Zillow. KSCP is another one. Matter of fact, could you drop your email or something? Drop your email or something. Um I'll get to I'll get to it, man. KSCP. What's up, GD? SPY going on under that 440 level. Zillow still acting up towards that 60s, hitting 59s now. Looking like it's not going to slow down. It's going to go ahead and get that 60 up there. But I'm not looking to do any kind of breakout trading. I'm going to get a nice little dip here. Definitely going on up to 60. So it's at the tip top of where it was in that pre-market. Right back up there at that top. So definitely looking for some shorts to step in here at that 59. Give a stronger pullback. Or not. Just get blown up. That could work too. All right, KSCP. Need to see it get pushed back under the 59 real quick for this pullback. KSCP. Wonder will it do a breakout of this little downtrend? But that's a micro downtrend. I don't really trust those. Very small little downtrend there. INDO holding up the $5 there, but constantly giving back profit. It's got a lot of wicks back here on the hour chart. Giving back. Always gives back. Can Zillow give us that pullback? Had a previous pullback of the 57.60. Put that down there to support and see if it can come on back down and revisit those levels before actually breaking out to the 60s. INDO. Getting a little breakdown there. Lori says info in the next couple of days will be on fire. We will see. Let's Twitch. Why am I forgetting this? There it is. Oh my goodness, that took me forever to find that. Streamer. Okay. Moderators. Hmm. INDO just playing around there. KSCP pulling on down as well. The intraday low is a 663. But it is Monday, so I'm expecting some kind of drops to come. Okay, Zillow pulling on back as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bars up. Man, the VIX, man, I should have played the VIX. The VIX was down here at 16, and then the SPY started dropping. Look at that. Look at that SPY. Tearing people's pockets out. I do like how INDO is following this nice little uptrend. It has a little bit of a flat top there at the 503-ish level. I don't know why it can't seem to hold the $5. I've been waiting for it to hold the $5 for weeks. Just can't do it. I see another one called COLL over here. COLL for some reason. Let's see. This is a Pharma broadens its pain portfolio. Let me go look at that. COLL. Had this bottom of the 1975. Looks like it's already done a little bit of a pullback. Got up there to the 21. Looking a little dry though. RIVN, it's up as well. News on RIVN. Let's see. Billionaire George Soros reveals stake in Rivian, sells some tech shares. Rivian shares are trading higher after filings from investor George Soros. Okay. RIVN. GT was one that dropped big the other day. Oops, not AT&T, GT. Okay, so that's all that I really see. LCID is down there playing around. Did it get news or something? It's reporting its fourth quarter fiscal year end. Okay. So I'll put that up here as well. And that's the last one I really want to watch. What's up, One Life? Let's go back over here to the main. One Life, I ended up selling Zillow today. Gave a nice little pop, and I went ahead and got on down. Giving a little dip in here, though. But still got a lot of pulling back to do. LCID from 25 up to the 27. So there's definitely some movers here. These are the ones that I've been watching though. LCID. INDO kind of looks like it wants to try something, but it's definitely not in the top competition today. What's up, Donnell? What's up, everybody joining? Make sure you don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the content. GT ended up, man, GT took a major fall. And that's Goodyear tire. Okay, this one starting to look okay. But I would love to see it form a retest this bottom here, 1973. LCD pulling back as well. Everything's at the tops. KSCP looking like it wants to retest that top. But that's just not enough risk to reward for me. That's 25 cents. And I don't want to risk that. You got the early move on KSCP long 740 and then got out at 788. $8 resistance. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Getting a little bit of a pullback, and this is what I was afraid of. It didn't get that pre-market high, and now it's struggling down here. So it's probably going to end up dumping. COLL coming back down to test this bottom of the $19. But I hate the way these candles kind of closed up on it. They're real tight under the VWAP. It could definitely dive. CNR. Rivian still pumping up. Came down and tested twice on this level of the 62.85. But no other big movers. Oh, there's a little blast up on KSP. So that's going to be a fake. Let's see. That's from the 786 up to the almost $8. Yeah, they're about to get shoved down. Let's see it. See it blast back down through this 750 level. It'll sit at the tippity top, or what looks like the tippity top. Wonder, can this one get back up and test this 2048? That would be a 30-cent move, and then 2060. Very small range on that one. KSCP. Come on, man. Is this going to be a double top there at the $8? $8 resistance. Getting tested again. I believe it is. $96, $97, $98. That'll be a breakout trade right there. Let's see if the breakout fails. Getting a little push up there. Not quite through that 811. 802. There it is. There it is, getting pushed back into the dirt. Yep, okay. Let's go back up here. This one, the most it can give is probably like $1 move now. 1974 up to the 21. Maybe not even that. If you guys are seeing anything else other than what's up here on the watch list, let me know, and we'll go and take a look. Rivian coming back down to this area with 62.59. Very, very strong pull down there. Okay. So now the SPY is pulling down as well. And we're seeing things starting to transition to the downside. The SPY also pulling down. So be careful. How long will it be before we're back to the 420s on the SPY? Man. So it's looking like my Tuesdays and Thursdays are about to clear up just a little bit. So I may be looking to spend some more time in the market on Tuesdays and Thursdays now. Or not now, but in the upcoming days when I finalize everything. But it's gonna be sweet. Oh, it's gonna be so sweet. Okay, KSCP went on up there and launched through the top there. It is a low float, so I expect those resistance and support not to hold as well. It may continue to push there, but only gave, let's see, from the top of this 794 up to the 830 and now getting devastated. Yeah, that's not good. That's see, and one thing that I realized about low floats is they have an over exaggerated reaction to supports and resistance. So if they have a strong resistance, they'll break through at 50, 60 cents and come right back. It's ridiculous. Look at this. Broke through this 790 all the way up here. They just extra. That's what they are. That's what they are. They extra. All right, so Zillow slowing down there. Liquidity not looking the way it was. LCID, not interested in that. KSCP probably gonna end up taking people's money on down with them now. After that kind of pullback. INDO did end up staying under the $5. Zillow pumping up there. So 58. The SPY is also pumping back up. Looks like. Or taking a bounce or doing something. SPY has a bottom of the 437.64. Will it start making these lower lows below the 438.25? Nice little pullback on Zillow after trying to get up there as well. It's a little 20-cent rip out. Okay. So now we'll just be watching for dips. RIVN going on down there. Don't know if anybody's catching that for a short ride. GT going on down. The only IPO that's supposed to be opening up today is Aloha, which is like a capital investment type deal, something dealing with financials. But I'm not too interested in that one. Zillow, nice downtrend now. So let me go ahead and draw this trend, new trend. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got to work on that. Boy, they be sending me this work. Let's get it. If I need to close the stream, I'll go and make this money, and then let's see. Got it. Let me go find this dude's stuff. I mean, it's not like I didn't take profit on the day. I am green on the day, green on last week, green on this week. Just want to build my green weeks up is what I'm trying to do. And the best way to do that is not rush. I take okay trades, just got to be more confident in them. And then on the trades that I take, let them win for me. COLL came down to this bottom 1970. And what was the news on COLL? It's up 13%. Farmer shares rise. It will acquire BioDelivery Sciences. Okay. I don't really care about that. That's not something that I'm super interested in. A biotech buying another biotech. Yeah, one life. Try to keep it pure. Try to keep it pure, you know. And if you have any questions about anything like that, just let me know. COLL. Could this be a possible low risk trade off this 1978? Because that's gonna be what 1972. But I just don't like the idea of it. Just the buyout. I don't like that idea. KSCP does not want to give up, even with all of these wicks up here and a big failure. So it's gonna have to actually form a visible trend. On the 4-hour chart, look how bad this looks though. Definitely fighting a nice little sloping pattern. Look at that bigger picture, man. Woo. That's some death right there. All right, 437s. SPY dumping on down, 437. So it did make the lower low. Got that little kick out there. And we'll see what it wants to do as well. Hmm. Zillow has a little bit of a trend line here. I'll probably keep my eye on that trend line. I really think Zillow can get over 60, but it's already tried pre-market try or aftermarket got up there close to 60 during pre-market 58 and now again felling 60. So that 59 level is a strong level on Zillow to break. So I would definitely watch out for this downtrend that's forming. L Sid doesn't look so good on the 15 minute. It looks good on the 5 minute, but on the 15 minute, looks like it has a whole lot of pulling down to do. INDO coming back over $5. I don't like this stock, man. Look at it. It's just bouncing around 1 cent at a time. All right, let's jump back over here to the scanners, see if anything new popped up. American Airlines, Marriott International Executive Chairman J.W. Merritt. Let's see. U.S. morning call: Ukraine-Russia tensions weigh on stocks. This is what whales are betting on American Airlines Group. I don't know about the airlines, man. It's always a questionable investment, except that time when they all dumped during the beginning of COVID. That was probably the only time that it was like, oh yeah, let's buy this. So it's looking like the initial rips are coming down, and we'll see what's going to be the stock that stands out on the day. This is another test in this area, 1974. KSCP trying its best to break down, but you know, yeah, I think KSCP is done. It got up there to the pre-market high and couldn't hold anything near it. Did LCID get news or something? LCID to report giant pension got out of let me pull that up again. Okay, for Lucid LCID, giant pension exited Alibaba and bought Coinbase, Lucid, and Rivian stock. I don't know what this giant pension is. Are they telling us what it is? Late New Jersey state pension bought up newly public stocks that have plunged so far in 2022 and sold out of high profile Chinese tech stocks. So the state of New Jersey Common Pension Fund. Okay. So I guess that's why it's going up, but I mean, that's okay. They can buy all they want. I'm not gonna get in there with them. I ain't gonna pay them no money on LSIT. LSIT is a meme stock, just like GameStop and AMC. They really don't have strong fundamentals. All right, so we're seeing this nice little trend here. It's only moving 2 to 4 cents at a time now, so it's not looking the same. Facing a lot of resistance. But this Monday morning, like I said on Friday, this is gonna be an observation day for me because I already knew I was gonna be playing. I had a lot of money tied up in Zillow already, so I was like, man, I'm just gonna watch for dips for Tuesday trading. So I probably come back in the afternoon and kind of look where the charts landed and see if I want to be looking at anything for tomorrow morning. But so far, I haven't seen any great news on Monday morning. A lot of these are just movers that, you know, crashed out earlier in the year. INDO just playing around with the $5 a lot too much. Am I going to Subway with my Valentine's today for lunch? Nah, man. Valentine's Day is special, man. You got to go out and you got to do it big. You need to spend every. Oh my, Daniel B. Good morning, speculators. Oh, good morning, Daniel B. Well, today is an observation day, not a speculation day. We're just looking. Some people got blessed holding over the weekend on INDO and on a couple of others, but you know, y'all told me that Zillow sucked, and I was like, I don't know, man. You're not looking at it short term. RIVN. Did anybody touch RIVN? Look at that rip. 62 all the way to 64. Did it just get more news or something? Nah, it's just got the same news, just ripping up there for no reason. One like you check your portfolio from the phone and stay in bed. And that's the way to do it. One life. One life's got it mastered. KSCP seems volatile. Yeah, it's that low float action. I wouldn't do it. I want to see a visible downtrend or uptrend. Right now, it doesn't have either one. This is too steep. It doesn't have any bottoms here, and this is not a true formation of a downtrend yet. So if I were to draw this trend line, how would it look? Actually, no. Let's not draw it on the shorter time frame. Let's look at the larger time frame up here on the 240 area. Matter of fact, no. Let's go back and look at KSCP over here on these charts. So we see it's still big red on the year. Right around the bottom, 591. Yeah, it's not that far away. $2 away from that. Has a top side up here of the 943. Let's see, what is this? The 940s level. And it's struggling to get up there. So yeah, let's take all that into consideration. That it's already playing into that downtrend. Had a pre-market break of the 830s. Has been going up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. I'm expecting a dump on KSCP for real. It has no reason to be up. I want to see the shorts come and massacre it. So let's see if that's the downtrend or is it going to push through that level too. And let's go ahead and draw that over here. Downtrend right through there. See if it'll go ahead and pump down on all of these time frames through these levels. Yeah, Daniel B. There wasn't a lot to trade except now I know you would have probably traded RIVN, Daniel B. But anything else probably would have been dead. But RIVN gave a nice move. Nice little move there. 10 million shares traded on it. This one's rising from the grave, but I just don't like it. KSCP through a wick through that trend, but looks like that trend's gonna hold it down. See how, oh my gosh, is it gonna dive? Are we gonna see KSCP dive here? It's looking real dangerous. Yep, here he goes. All aboard. So let's look at the risk to reward ratio here. So it moved from the 725 up to the 820. So about $1 move if you were to hold through all of this ridiculousness. About $1 move. So is that worth it for it to be running down like this? Like if you bought the top here, it's definitely coming back down. Like there's no going back up now. It, oh my gosh, it's about to crucify people. Let's read One Life, One Chance looking for a car. Calling dealer if they have something in stock. One Life, One Chance. I spent Saturday going to the dealer. All are empty. One Life, One Chance. It's like in Africa. I, I guess. LSIT pushing on up there. About to break out. I wasn't interested just because I don't like that a big company just bought this up and people are playing around with it because they can dump their shares at any time. Especially if they bought down here across this 25 level and it's come up here, they can dump it any time. So I'm not playing that game. INDO is back over the 5. We see a little bit of a downtrend on the 5, but I would like a more distinct downtrend on a higher time frame. It's still not looking great on the higher time frames, so it's getting explosions and then going down. Very low volume on these bars too. Zillow getting back up there. It's probably gonna go ahead and go. Doing a little breakout pattern. I think it's got one more pullback in it. It should pull back or not. Boy, a lot of these Friday movers are up big. Lucid barely touched the top here, 28.10, and looking like it's finding a little bit of resistance here at the top. So may start getting those shorts or either sell off. Should have just jumped on the plane to Detroit and we get one off the line for you. We get you a Cadillac. One life, one chance. I am cheap. Can you come to can you come to pick me up and drive me to Detroit? One life says I'm on my way. One life. You looked at Volvos, but 70K in too much for a piece of metal. Yeah, it might be true. 70K way too much. KSCP again trying this little trend. Just so choppy. Great way to lose money on the day. Lucid is turning around at this top here. So yeah, no entries for me today, only exits. We'll be looking for that nice catalyst on tomorrow morning. SPY having a nice little structured move down. Looks like it's coming up. Crashed through the 9 EMA, struggled, and that 9 EMA is kind of holding it down through here. Um, One life, one chance. You said you can afford to pay for Netflix. Man, y'all be out here lying, man. Y'all making plenty of money. Talking about y'all can't afford Netflix. Netflix is what, $5 per month? Or wait, yeah, $8 per month, somewhere up in there. KSCP coming up here. I wonder will it double top? It's come up to this, or it failed to get that top on the last one. Let's see if it has a bigger pullback. These are all trap moves here. Barely moving a cent. Can definitely pull back very hard off of this top if it does get up there. Will they really buy it through that top? Yeah, it's looking like they're getting a little, yep. So they bought it through the top, but it did not hold. Shorts jumped on very quickly up there. It's not looking good. Forming a flat top on the 5 minutes. Needs to stay above the 812. So if you were scalping, 812 will be your all out. Getting another little pump up there. Not my type of movement at all. I don't like that. Let's see if they'll sell on everybody. 850 almost, well, 850 did get touched. 847. So not quite enough for 850. Will it be able to form a bottom anywhere up here? I doubt it. Okay, let's skip back over to Lucid. See where it ended up settling. Didn't end up going much further. INDO slowly throwing wicks. I'm just not interested in that. Zillow looks like it's curling a little bit. Very scary motion. It can definitely break down at any time. RIVN has a little bit of a flat top up here as well at the 64.30s. So now we're actually seeing the sentiment of some of these stocks, and we're probably going to see them come on down, which will be great. Be able to see what the Tuesday trades are looking like. SPY coming back below the 437s. 437.34 coming into play. Can it get that next push down through here? Well, trying to get through the 850s. So this breakout was from the 822, like a 30-cent breakout for anybody that was doing back breakout trades. 30-cent breakout. Is it worth it though? Is that 30 cents worth it? Well, looks like it already gave that 30 cents back. Oh my goodness. One Life says RBLX looks good. RB. Hmm. Let the stream go about 30 more minutes or maybe 15 minutes because I forgot I got to contact this other person real quick and get their little issue figured out. We'll see. But as of now, I'm not looking to take any trades on any of this. I don't want to start on Valentine's Day giving back profits. I am very good with walking away. RIVN taking a little dip there. So let's see, 57, 58. Already done a 1, 2, 3, 4 move up. Not looking good. KSCP, did it ever touch the 50s? It got the 51. Trying to hold up this low now of the 831. You like to see RBLX over 70 and staying there? Yeah, it definitely looks like there's a little bit of resistance there at the 70s. Let's see. What's this trend line talking about? 73. We got a trend. Where's the trend? I guess it would have room up to maybe the 70.87 before it starts getting knocked down. But it does have a trend there, but it's kind of far away from it right now with the way it's moving. All right, I just got another message. I'm gonna have to get off and go and deal with this. Not in any trades. I took my profits off the other trade that I was in. I will be back tomorrow morning. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, you can consider subscribing. We do have Framework Fortune website, frameworkfortune.com, that you can check out. We have a Discord on there that I will be going over there and repairing after this as well. For some reason, I don't know why it disappeared, but the code, I guess, expired into this new year. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, and definitely be careful if you're going to be taking trades, because it looks like there was a lot of opportunity to take profit at the open and not so much to enter, because these things took off. So be careful, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.